What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw one circle for the left eye. We're going to start from the very top. Just going to work our way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now I want to tuck the nose in behind the eye along the bottom right. So we start out here, start with a curve coming down and up towards the end of the nose. Round out the nose, come down and then in. And then we're going to draw that same size circle on the right side, but tucked in behind the eye and the nose. So we'll start right in the middle, go up towards the same height, come down towards the side, and then in towards the nose. Let's add two small circles in the center of each eye for the pupils, and we'll fill them in. And then we'll add the lashes across the top of the eye. Let's start right in the middle at the very top, draw one line on either side. Step in, draw an angled line. We're sort of aiming towards the pupil. And then we'll add two more going down the side. Let's go to the bottom right side of the right eye, bend the mouth, coming down and then out. Let's round out the mouth, pull that back in, and we'll curve the mouth, coming down, and just bend that up towards the left side. Let's add a bracket on the end. Now I want to come down directly underneath the nose and draw the lip, coming down and then bend that in, and come straight down towards the neck. Now from the corner of the mouth on the left side, let's step over and draw a circle with an open end on the right side, going all the way around to the ear. Let's add those folds inside the ear. Start with a curve coming down, then it's out. Let's go underneath the ear, curve the back of the neck, coming in and then down towards the same height. Now I'm going to add that pearl necklace across the neck. Let's start on the bottom left, draw a circle. Now I'm going to continue to add these circles going out towards the right. We're going to bend these down, across the center, add another one. Now the last one on the right, we're just going to tuck in behind, going up towards the neck, and then back in. Now for those spikes around the hair, we want to start with the one in the very center at the very top of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, in between the eyes. Start with a point, bend this out and down towards the left and right side. Let's add two spikes coming down on the right. We're going to start up here, going out, then it's down, and then in. Let's add one more point, going out and then down. I'm just going to bend this down and then in towards the eye. Now let's go back and draw the spikes on the left side. We're going to start up here, bend this out, and down and in. Let's add another one, going out, in. Let's add a few more and we're going to come in towards the side of the neck. There's a couple smaller ones across the bottom. And we'll add one more. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We'll start underneath the necklace on either side. Just going to bend this out and then down towards the bottom of the dress. Line this up on the right side. Now from the left side, we're going to add these points going across, going up and then down. From the top of the body, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Now I want to place the arms on the hips. So from the side of the body, let's angle this down and out towards the inside of the elbow. Now I want to create an overlap, stepping up and down and then in towards the hips. Let's move up towards the side of the necklace, bend the arm going out and then down towards the outside of the elbows. Let's round up the elbow, bend that in towards the hand. And add another bump, coming down and then in towards the side. From the bottom of the palm, add a small fold. Step out, curl the finger coming down and then up towards the side of the body. Now let's move down and draw on the legs. Leaving a gap in the center, let's step over towards the left, bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round up the bottom of the feet, and down and up towards the left and right side. From the outside of the foot, let's curve this up and then in towards the ankles. And we'll draw the inside of the slipper. And this in and then down just on top of the foot. Follow that curve coming in towards the heel. Now let's go back up to the top of the foot, bend this up and then in, just tuck this in behind the dress. And then we're going to open up the top of the sandal. Let's step out, follow that same curve coming down, go out, and then follow that curve going back out. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Lisa Simpson from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.